Welcome to RPS Group of Schools online classes. This is session 4 for the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. Water is one of the most important natural resources. It is essential for survival of all living beings. We need water for drinking and many other purposes. Water also acts as a habitat for aquatic organisms. About 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but a very small part of it is fit for consumption. Like other natural resources, water is also getting polluted by various human activities. So, in this session, we'll be studying about water pollution. Any chemical, physical, or biological change in the quality of water due to addition of contaminants that have harmful effect on living organisms is known as water pollution. Harmful substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Water pollutants may be classified into the following categories as pathogens, organic pollutants, inorganic pollutants, and macroscopic pollutants. Pathogens include disease-causing microorganisms such as bacteria, protozoa, or viruses. Salmonella, Giardia, norovirus, and E. coli are some common pathogens found in contaminated water. Organic pollutants include things like petroleum, insecticides, herbicides, detergents, and prescription drugs. Inorganic pollutants include ammonia, fertilizers, heavy metals, and other chemical waste. Macroscopic pollutants are large and visible items in water bodies. It includes plastic jars and bottles, glass bottles, polythene bags, pieces of wood, soft drink cans, and other kinds of garbage that is either intentionally dumped into the water bodies or washed away by rainfall. Let us study about some major water pollutants. Untreated sewage. Untreated sewage contains many pathogens that cause various waterborne diseases such as typhoid, jaundice, and cholera. In the absence of sewage treatment plant, the untreated sewage is released in the rivers that pollutes the fresh water and spreads diseases. Industries producing paints, batteries, paper, and textile produce toxic effluents that contain heavy metals such as cadmium, lead, chromium, zinc, mercury, and arsenic that are discharged directly into freshwater bodies. This pollutes the water and harms the aquatic organisms residing in the water bodies. Use of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides also results in water pollution. Rainwater washes away fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides used in the field and pours them in freshwater bodies such as lakes, ponds, and rivers. This harms the water quality and makes it unfit for drinking or other purposes. Have you ever seen a green layer covering the whole surface of a lake or a pond? Do you know what it is? You have already studied about a category of microorganisms called algae in chapter Microorganisms. The green layer covering the whole surface of the pond or the lake is called an algal bloom. An algal bloom is a rapid increase in the algae population in water bodies. Algal bloom is caused due to high availability of nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen in water. Excess fertilizers that are carried to the ponds or lakes by rainwater provide nutrients to the algae. This causes extensive growth of the algae in water bodies. Algal bloom is harmful because it blocks the sunlight entering the water, causes death of aquatic organisms, causes discoloration of water, produces foul smell, causes toxicity by releasing certain toxic substances in water, and reduces oxygen concentration of water. Now let's discuss some measures to reduce water pollution. Setting up sewage treatment plant for removing more harmful components from the sewage released by homes, hospitals, and offices. Proper treatment of industrial waste should be done. Releasing untreated industrial waste into water bodies should be completely avoided. Optimum amount of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides should be used. Bathing, washing, and excreting near water bodies should be avoided. Domestic waste should not be dumped into water bodies. Plastic waste should be properly disposed of instead of releasing it in the water bodies such as ponds, rivers, seas, and oceans. It chokes the respiratory tract of aquatic organisms and leads to their death. Water that is fit for drinking is called potable water. In order to stay healthy, we need to drink almost 4 liters of water every day. You must have studied about various sources of potable water in previous classes. Though the water obtained from various sources appears to be clean, but it is still unsafe to drink it without purification. It is very important to ensure that the water you are drinking is pure and safe for drinking. Now let us study about some methods of water purification. Boiling is a very common method for water purification. Boiling kills germs and makes the water fit for drinking. Filtration is another method for water purification. Modern water filters remove suspended particles, dissolved impurities, and kill germs present in water. Chlorination is also a method of water purification. Adding specified amount of chlorine tablets or gas to water kills disease-causing bacteria present in water and protects us from waterborne diseases. Adding iodine tablets or bleaching powder also kills germs present in water and helps in water purification. That was all for today's class. Thank you.